Today's tip of the week is why we only take on legally suited properties when we lease them out.
Yeah, so we wanted to put this out there because a lot of people have been asking us to actually lease out their properties, which is a service that Crew Property Leasing is taking on now. And we only take on legally suited properties simply because, Tim, peace of mind has to be the first thing, and with peace of mind comes safety.
Yeah, and as everyone knows, when you legalize a basement suite, safety is number one. It's the reason the city got involved. The secondary suite program is there. What they were trying to do is make sure that the basement tenant could get out in the case of an emergency, and the main floor tenant could get out in case of an emergency. So that means interconnecting smoke detectors. It means proper egress windows. It means fire rated ceiling. It means fire rated doors. So when we take on a property to lease it out, we want to make sure that the tenants are safe.
Yeah.
And they have peace of mind.
Yeah, for sure. And the next big thing for our investors end up owning multiple properties. Tim, normally they come to us, they start off with one and they end up with three, four, five, six. They get hooked on this investing game because we make it so easy for them to invest in real estate. Now, best thing about legally suited properties when it is legal, Tim, the banks now calculate both sets of rents. So it actually helps the investor to cash flow. And when the property's cash flowing, that actually helps them move on to the next property because property number one is looking after itself. So you have to keep that in mind. If it's an illegal suited property, the banks will only calculate the upstairs rents. They will not calculate the basement rents, which will offset, Tim, your capacity to borrow more funds.
Yeah, and the third reason we only take on legally suited properties is because you can attract better tenants. You sell the property in that, when you're putting it on a rent faster site or another rental site, you're saying it's safe, it's got egress windows, it's got interconnected smoke detectors. The tenants will be more attracted to that than, say, some dingy illegal basement suite that doesn't even have windows. And believe me, we've seen a lot of those out there. So at safety, attracting better tenants, and future financing, it's a great way to increase your cash flow.
For sure, for sure. It's estimated to have around 36,000, Tim, suites out there. And out of that, we're around 14,000 right now legal suites. So if your suite isn't legal and you want us to lease them out for you, no problem at all. We've assembled a team that goes in and we actually go in ourselves and work out exactly what has to be done. We work out a cost and we're helping our clients, if they want to work with us, legalize those properties one at a time. So that is our tip of the week. If it's your first tip of the week, sign up to Crew TV. There's plenty of other tips on there that can assist you on your real estate investment journey, making it a successful one.